Hey everybody, today I've got a really serious video. The thumbnail and title was not a joke and it's not clickbait or anything, but it might not be as bad as it sounds, but it might be for some of you. I've got to explain it to you, so let's do that right after this. All right, so I'm just going to get right into this because I don't want to drag this out forever. But basically, I think there's a problem with my channel, and it's keeping some of you from seeing my videos, or at least the notifications and that, and I'll explain that. I've seen over the past several months, I've seen other YouTubers talking about how some of their subscribers are being unsubscribed, or the bell notification has been turned off, or maybe you didn't set it right. And I think that's happened to my channel, and I think it really kind of started after the hackers. Now, for those of you that don't know, several months ago while I was in Quartzsite, Arizona, we were trying to put out videos from down there, and I came in one day and my channel had been hacked, and they had completely taken over my channel. They've done this to a lot of big channels. One of them had 8 million subscribers, and they were a computer tech channel, and they still got them. So they can get about anybody. And basically what they did is they turned it into a channel. They renamed it the Tesla channel. They put a fake Elon Musk video up selling Bitcoins, and they were trying to scam you guys. Well, as soon as I noticed it, I went in and turned that video to private. I was bumped down to the position of manager. They couldn't delete all my profiles, or at least they didn't. Maybe they didn't know I had all these extra profiles as a backup. I did that for exactly such a thing. If something happened to my main profile, I had a way to get into my channel and do things. But they made themselves the manager. So all I could do was a few things, and one is I made that video private to protect you guys so you didn't get scammed. They never did catch on to the fact that I did that, thankfully, and they messed with my channel a lot, and it ended up getting my channel taken down completely. It completely disappeared from YouTube for several days. And during that time, right before that, we had views of around 800, 900,000 views a month. Right after that, as soon as my channel came back for the next few weeks, we were only averaging about 350,000 views for the month. So I think that also during that comeback time when they reinstated my channel, I think a lot of you got unsubscribed, or your notifications bell thing got messed with. So one of the other reasons I say that is normally I know how many views I get when I release a video, and lately when I release it, right then, that's usually you guys, the subscribers, going in and checking out the video because you got a notification. I'm seeing a lower number than usual on that, which kind of tells me that I think some of you have had that happen to you too. And I'm going to tell you how to fix it. I'm going to show you how to fix it too. I'll have to go on my computer and I'll talk behind, the screen. I'll do a voiceover and show you visually how to go check that to make sure it's set right. And a lot of you don't know that you're setting the bell icon wrong, and you might not even know what that means. So I'm going to explain that too. Now, these hackers, they cost me thousands of dollars because my views went down, the sponsorship money went down, everything took a tank, and it probably cost me about $6,000 so far. So we're trying hard to catch up on that. It really hurt me. I mean, we're way behind on bills right now. I don't know what we're going to do this month. I'm trying to get everything reorganized here. We just got back into town after being in Quartzsite. I'm probably going to go out and do a few drywall jobs, even though I'm hurting all over. My shoulders just wake me up every night. They're torn up. Guys, if you do this for 40 years, you're going to get tore up. Some of you know that already. You might get lucky, but it tears up your shoulders, your knees, sometimes your elbows, your wrist. It's just really hard on your body, and it's taking its toll on me. So my left knee is one that I really can't even hardly put weight on. I have to carry around this big old foam pad anytime I got to get down on the ground and not put much weight on that knee. And my ankles hurt, and my shoulders and my back is in agony. I just stood up a second ago and about fell down because it tried to spasm on me. And we're testing audio too. Whoa. I've been going to the chiropractor, you know, that's just what drywall does. So it's going to be hard for me to go back out in the field. I'm 62 this year, and I would prefer to stick to doing these YouTube videos, but I got to do what I got to do. I'll take the easier jobs that won't beat me up so much and do that to get back on my feet. But, and if any of you want to help show your support for this channel, we really rely on your support. Every YouTuber out there relies on the same basic things, and that is that you guys show some support. And you can do that in a lot of different ways. The best way is to become a member of my YouTube channel. You just click the join button down there. I'm going to start putting out some members only content and early release content. We're planning to ramp up videos a lot now that we got our studio back. And by the way, this studio, this is where it all started 7 years ago, almost 8 years ago. December of 2015, I set up a video wall right over there, and I'll show you, see if I can show you a little clip of one of the original videos shot right over there. I hung one of my, or two of my great big drop cloths over there, made that the kind of background to hide all the junk behind me, because this is where I store all my tools and a lot of personal stuff.
Spider. Oh. Got a spider problem? Well, I can't help you with that, but I can help you fix this hole. We're going to show you how next.
So now we've come full circle. We're back in this studio. This is only temporary because we're going to try and build a house and build a studio to go along with it, but I don't know how far off that is. So anyway, yeah, you can show your support by becoming a member. You can do it for as little as, I think, $2 or $3 a month. And it really adds up, it really helps. But also the usual, like our videos, comment on our videos, share our videos, and watch as much of the videos you can. The more percentage of the video you watch, the more YouTube likes it, and they'll show it to more. But let me tell you basically in verbal form here, how to check and see if you're still subscribed and if you have that bell icon marked, and which one you should do, because there's a big difference.
Hey, make sure you don't miss any of our videos by clicking the bell icon, but you have to click the all part. If you just click the personalized, YouTube will decide what you see.
When you go in, you'll see that you can click on the bell, and then it'll pop up with all and personalized. If you click on personalized, that basically means YouTube can pick which videos to show you or notify you about. And if you happen to miss some of my videos, or you only watch a few, they're going to quit showing you or giving you those notifications. And I know that because there's channels that I want to follow and they don't put out very many videos. One of my friends, Doug, if you're watching this, Doug, hey, he's got a great woodworking channel, but he just does it for the fun of it. So sometimes he goes a month or 2 or 3 between videos, and I've noticed that sometimes I don't get a notification, even though I thought I had it marked that I wanted to get notified each time he put one out. I have accidentally stumbled on his videos that I've missed. So I know this can happen. So if you do personalized, you're going to miss a fair amount of my videos. If that's not checked at all, I think you can check none. YouTube may have changed it on you, and you may not get notified of any of my videos. You can still stumble on them, but you may not get notified by an email or a pop-up on your phone. And that doesn't mean you got to watch it, of course, but at least you know we put out a video and you can decide if that's one you want to watch. Here's what I would do. Here's what I do for my favorite channels. I click the all. And all that means is you're just going to get that notification, an email or a pop-up that tells you we just released a video. And at least you know it's out there. So again, I'm going to show you how to do it, but you just go into your subscriber part, you click on it and you check the bell, make sure you're subscribed and that the bell and all has been checked. I think a lot of you have been unchecked and unsubscribed. Comment down below if you discover that happened to you. I kind of want to know if it's just a fluke or if it really is happening to my channel too, but I thought I should address it because I've seen a number of other YouTubers addressing that same subject. So hey, thanks so much for watching this video. I know I had to create kind of a shocking thumbnail and title to get you to watch it, but it's really important that I get as many of you to watch it as possible so that we can try and solve that problem. But anyway, I hope that solves something for you. If not, comment either way down below. I'm going to try and put out 2 to 3 videos a week here, and I could put out 2 or 3 shorts videos on top of that. So be watching. We've got a lot of good content coming out, and we'll see you on the next video. As always, take care, everybody.